Hi, hello deviants, what's up? Welcome back to another video. From the title and the thumbnail, yes, you guessed it right. DV is doing his first ever track session in association with CRA Motorsports Coimbatore. So CRA stands for Coimbatore Racing Academy. So they will be my trainers, they will be my training institute who's going to train me for my first ever session on the tracks. So I want to thank CRA Motorsports and special thanks to Pratik Bandi from CRA who initiated the conversation. So the track event is on April 2nd, 3rd and 4th, 2 days of training. The third day will be an open track session. So for all you guys who are interested in doing a track session, or if you have not done it anytime before and you want to do it now, this will be a great opportunity for you because I am giving you a special discount from my end, from DV end, if you are going to join this track session along with me. So all the pricing details are in the description below, but I'll keep it short. You'll get an 18% discount if you are joining through my reference for this training program. So it's exactly 1 week from today. So today is Friday and the training session is next Friday. So it will be at Kari Motor Speedway, Coimbatore. So that's where CRA is actually from. So if you are someone who is interested on doing a track session and learning the proper riding techniques of a motorcycle, this will be a great opportunity for you. Because for all of us who are into motorcycling, we have only learned from our experiences or from others' experiences throughout, riding bikes. But the professional way to do it is different. So you'll have to unlearn a few things and learn new things so that you are doing it right. You're riding a motorcycle the way it needs to be ridden. So like I said, this is my first ever track session, guys. Even I have less idea on how things are in the track and in the professional motorcycle racing field. So this is not a competition or a race event or anything like that. This is a training program for beginners, intermediate motorcycle riders. So I am doing this on my RR310 because I don't want to take the 10RR and risk it because the tires are also on the edge. So in order to take my 10RR, there will be a lot of preparation, additional expenses that I'll have to go through, which I don't want to do right now because this is my first ever track session. So I better take it on a smaller motorcycle. I want to mainly learn the technique of motorcycling and the right way to be doing it. So yes, the pricing part, 15,000 rupees is the training fees plus 18% of GST for all the riders. So if you are coming through my reference, they're going to give an 18% discount. So they're going to just minus the GST amount and fix it to 15,000. And also for all the Triumph owners, if you are getting a Daytona or a Street Triple or any Triumph bike, so for you by default the pricing is 15,000. There is no GST for you. And for all the other bikers, if you are coming through my reference, it will be standard 15,000. Otherwise, it's going to be 15,000 plus 18% GST. So this is for the training on the 2nd and 3rd. And also, if you just want to do the open session on the 4th of April, so that is the last day. So it will be 10,000 for all the riders. If you're coming through my reference, it's going to be 3,000 rupees discount. It will be 7,000 for you. So if you want to register, do ping me on my Instagram account deepu.vlogs, or you can contact any numbers given in the description below. You can directly contact CRA, directly contact Pratik from CRA. So they will help you onboard the training program. Also coming for the requirements for this track event, first of all you'll need a bike and a full suit, one-piece race suit is a must. So if you have a two-piece leather riding pants and jacket, that's not going to work. You'll need a full one-piece race suit. ECE and DOT certified helmets, namely NHK, AGV or any helmet which has the ECE and DOT certified, it has to mandatorily have the double D retention system. So if you have a ratchet type, it's not allowed. Also the internal sun visor is not allowed. So if you are picking up a helmet, then better be familiar with all the rules. So once you want to onboard this track event, so you will get the rules PDF from CRA, so which will clearly mention what are the requirements to attend this track event and what you need to have. Just in case if you do not have a bike and the riding gears, you can still rent them out from CRA. All the pricing I have again given it in the description below, be it for the riding gloves, riding boots, one-piece race suit, helmet, I'm not sure. You can check that out with them. Also, they will give a bike for rent. Everything is on rental basis, guys. So the pricing is in the description below. If you are interested, please check it out. So like I already told you, I'm going to take my 2020 TVS RR310 for this event. I do have a one-piece leather full race suit, which I have not shown you yet. Maybe people who follow me on Instagram have seen my post. It's from AGV Sports actually, the brand. So I will be making a review on it soon, but I'm just held up with a lot of stuff. So I will be doing that anyways. And I do have my Alpinestars GP Plus gloves, the Supertech R boots. And what else do I need? Yes, the helmet, the NHK GP1000 which I had, it has a sun visor inside, so that is not allowed. So I am planning to pick up something else. Let's see. You will find it out very soon. So anyways, like I told you, this is my first session and I'm pretty much excited about it. Let's see. I want you to experience the journey along with me. So I'll be making vlogs. I'll be covering the entire track event through my videos. So I will be giving you a visual experience in case you are not attending this training and still want to experience how things are in the track. I'm going to show you that on my YouTube channel DV. So stay subscribed, tap that bell icon to be notified instantly when I upload a video. So to be very honest, I was not ready for a track session yet because I am not at my 100% yet. So I'm yet to gain full flexibility on my left hand. So I did check with CRA Motorsports, I did check with Pratik if this is any problem, to be attending this training event. So he told it's okay. It depends on my willpower. If I can manage to, if I don't have any problems to ride a bike, then they don't have a problem to train me. So that's what he said. So I'm an opportunist. When I see an opportunity, I don't want to miss it. So thanks again CRA Motorsports and Pratik for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Doing a track session has been my dream for over years now. I think from the last 2 years I was looking for an opportunity to enter track and learn the professional stuff and ride professionally. In fact, I was actually supposed to start it last year, but since my accident last year June, I could not do it. So now I have this opportunity, I don't want to let it go. So anyways, deviants, let's make the best use of this opportunity. I'll cover the entire track event like I already told you. I'll be presenting it to you through my videos on my YouTube channel DV. So for all the motorcyclists who want to attend a track session, get trained by the professionals and know the professional techniques of motorcycle riding. So this is a very beautiful opportunity. Make use of it. I'll see you in another video guys. Peace.